In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up OpenRouter in make.com. And OpenRouter is basically a node or a module you can use that has all of your AI models in one place. So rather than having to set up like separate API keys and connections with, say, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, etc., you can just use OpenRouter, which will have access to all of the modules in one place. So if I come to the openrouter.ai website and I just click sign in, you can sign in with your Google account. I'm just going to choose mine. Once we're logged in, if we come up here and we go to keys, we can see this page here with our API keys and our credits. We haven't created an API key yet, so we can go ahead and do that. Just click create API key. You can give this a name, say demo make API key. The credit limit we will say leave at $10 and we will say reset every month. Click create, and now it will give us this API key, which it says you will not be able to see it again. So you should copy it and save it to a safe place. But now we see our API key in here. If we come back into make and we go to our scenarios, create a new scenario. In here, if we choose Open Router and then choose create chat completion, it's going to ask us to set up a connection. I'm going to click this. It gives us two options. So we can use the OAuth 2 way or the normal Open Router way. So we give this a name. If we enter our API key in here and hit save, we'll see that our connection has been set up. And then we can choose all of the models to choose from. We can choose Grok, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT-5, and so on. So you get access to all of these models in one place using OpenRouter so that you don't have to set up multiple connections. Please make sure do not expose your API key or share it with anyone. They'd be able to use your account and all of your credentials. So you need to keep that very safe and secure. And just to show you how you might set this up with OAuth 2 as well, is if you just came into OAuth 2, you can give it a connection name, hit save. It's just going to redirect you to your OpenRouter account, and it's going to ask you if you authorize this request. We're going to set a credit limit as well. Just say authorize, and now we can see that it is verifying the connection, and that's it. So we have two connections to choose from. You can use either the API key or the OAuth 2 method. Sometimes in the OAuth 2 method, it may ask you if you want to add credits now or later, but that is completely up to you. But that is basically how you would set up OpenRouter and be able to use all of the models in one place without having to set up multiple connections.